My video guide is about getting rid of the malicious pop-ups that come from the website yoursafeguardshield.com. Yoursafeguardshield.com is a deceptive website that tries to force you into downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by yoursafeguardshield.com, keep in mind that they are absolutely fake and deceptive. You should not interact with them. They also try to make you click on the Allow button in order to show the great portion of intrusive ads that will be displayed as random push notifications in the right part of your screen. So to click on Allow is obviously a very serious mistake. Also, as I said, these pop-ups try to make you download and install some potentially unwanted software. They claim to be related to some well-known security program, but in reality they are not related to such programs, and if you click on Proceed button, you would be redirected to some other malicious websites that promote some junk applications. So don't trust these deceptive pop-ups, they are absolutely fake. What we recommend you to do is to thoroughly research your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. So go to this official page of Combo Cleaner Antivirus, download Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner will help you to get rid of these multiple pop-up ads that are attacking the screen. And also Combo Cleaner will help you to remove any other malware that could possibly remain on the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.